Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Poo Convict, and in this video I'm going to lively talk with the Google Gemini to get the knowledge about Google Developer Tools. And with this video you're gonna get the basic idea about how Google Developer Tools help us. So what's the wait? Let's get into it.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy.
Yeah, I opened the Google AI Studio on the stream. Let me share my screen. I'm sharing my entire screen here. Hey AI Studio.
हाँ, मैं सुन रहा हूँ. आप कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ आपकी?
I'm sorry, can you please speak in English?
Sure, I can speak in English. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, I have a basic idea about Google Developer Tools in the Chrome browser. So can you explain me clearly about each and every tab in the Google Developer Tools?
Of course. The Google Developer Tools, or DevTools, is a powerful set of tools built into Chrome. It helps you inspect, debug, and optimize your web pages. The main tabs include the Elements tab.
Excuse me, I will ask you one by one. You just explain me accordingly.
Understood. Please ask whatever you need to know, and I'll explain each part as you ask.
Yeah, in the Google Developer Tools, you can see my screen now. What is the Element tab do here?
The Elements tab lets you inspect and edit the HTML and CSS of the web page. You can see the structure of the page and make changes to the styles in real time to see how they affect the layout.
Okay, if I right click on any line or element, it will shows the related HTML code, right?
Yes, that's correct. When you right-click and select Inspect on an element on the page, it will automatically show the corresponding HTML in the Elements tab, highlighting that specific element's code.
Yeah, okay. What if I changed something in the CSS or HTML structure? Is it a temporary change or permanent?
Any changes you make in the Elements tab are only temporary and visible in your browser session. They don't affect the actual source code of the website, so the changes will be lost if you reload the page.
Okay, if I want to change something, then I need to go to the main theme code, right?
Exactly. To make permanent changes, you would need to modify the actual source code of your website's theme or files using a code editor and then re-upload them.
Okay, so this Element tab is for quick prototyping and debugging the layout issues, right?
Precisely. The Elements tab is fantastic for experimenting with layout changes, testing different styles, and understanding how your HTML and CSS affect the page's appearance instantly.
Okay, and with this tool, and also I can learn how other websites are built.
Yes, absolutely. The Elements tab is a great way to learn from other websites by examining their HTML and CSS. You can see how different elements are structured and styled, which can help improve your own coding skills.
Oh, that's a cool thing. Thank you very much. And what about the console here tab?
The Console tab is like a direct line to your web page's JavaScript. You can use it to execute JavaScript code, view errors and messages from your scripts, and debug your JavaScript code.
So this is essential for the error tracking and debugging the JS code efficiently. Am I correct?
Yes, that's correct. The Console tab is crucial for tracking errors, logging information, and debugging your JavaScript code effectively. It allows you to test commands and see the results immediately.
Oh, that's a cool thing. And can you please tell me about this Sources tab?
The Sources tab allows you to view and debug your website's JavaScript and other code. You can set breakpoints, step through code execution, and inspect variables to understand how your scripts are running.
So this tab is useful for JavaScript behavior check, right?
That's absolutely right. The Sources tab is a powerful tool for understanding and debugging the behavior of your JavaScript code, allowing you to trace its execution and identify issues.
Okay, what if I have a complex JavaScript like a long code? Then what if I want to stop it at a particular point to inspect a certain variable throughout the code? Is there any option for that? To do like that?
Yes, you can set breakpoints. In the Sources tab, just click on the line number of your JavaScript code where you want to pause execution. When the code reaches that point, it will pause and you can inspect the variables in the current state.
Oh, that's really cool. And what about the Networks tab do here?
The Network tab is used to monitor the network requests made by your website. It shows all the resources that are loaded, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and images, and provides details about their loading time.
Okay, so this tab is for diagnosing slow loading issues, right?
Exactly. The Network tab is particularly useful for identifying slow loading resources and understanding how your website's network requests impact performance, helping you optimize your site's loading time.
Oh yeah, that's a cool thing, but however I have to compromise for certain type of content like HD images to present them at high quality. So that's the issue.
I understand. Balancing image quality with loading time is a common challenge. You can explore various image optimization techniques, such as using modern image formats, compressing images, and using lazy loading to maintain high quality while improving loading speed.
Yeah, let me try with that. And can you please tell me about the performance tab here?
The Performance tab is used for profiling your website's performance. It allows you to record and analyze various aspects of your page's performance, such as JavaScript execution, rendering, and painting, helping you identify performance bottlenecks.
Okay, I got it. Let me record a page and load and a scroll event. Let me try that once. For example, let me open up post.
Okay, I see you're recording the performance. After you stop the recording, you'll see a detailed timeline showing various activities during that period. This will help you identify any performance issues.
Okay, hold on the line. Let me stop and get the results.
All right, take your time. The performance report should provide valuable insights into how your page is loading and performing.
Yeah, I got it.
Great! You can now examine the timeline to see where your page might be experiencing delays and identify areas for optimization.
Okay, I got the idea behind it.
That's excellent. The Performance tab is a powerful tool for optimizing your website's speed and responsiveness.
Okay, so it's very useful for optimizing the site's responsiveness.
Yes, precisely. By analyzing the performance data, you can make informed decisions to improve your website's loading speed and overall user experience.
Oh, it's really cool. Okay, that's fine. And what about the memory tab do here?
The Memory tab helps you analyze your website's memory usage. It allows you to check for memory leaks and understand how your page is utilizing memory resources.
Okay, let me take a heap snapshot and see what objects are using the most memory here.
Exactly. Taking a heap snapshot provides a detailed view of the memory distribution, helping you identify potential memory issues and optimize your code.
Oh, that's really cool. And it's very useful for memory leaks. I got it.
Yes, it's a very effective way to diagnose and resolve memory-related issues, ensuring your website runs smoothly.
Yeah, that's cool. And what about the application tab do here?
The Application tab is for inspecting your website's stored data, including local storage, session storage, cookies, and IndexedDB. It allows you to manage and view the data stored by your web application.
So this shows everything stored on the client side, like cookies, local storage, and session storage. Am I correct?
Yes, that's correct. The Application tab provides a comprehensive view of all the client-side storage mechanisms used by your website.
Okay, and also it's useful in the testing login logout states or resetting app state like this. Am I correct?
Yes, you're right. It's a useful tool for testing various application states, including login, logout scenarios, and resetting application data. It helps you ensure your application handles these states correctly.
Oh, that's cool. And what about the privacy and security tab do?
The Privacy and Security tab allows you to inspect your website's privacy and security settings. You can check for secure connections, cookies, and other privacy-related settings to ensure your website is secure and compliant.
Oh, so that I can get all the details about HTTPS and SSL certificate validity and like this, right?
Yes, that's correct. The Privacy and Security tab provides information about your website's security settings, including HTTPS and SSL certificate details.
What about the mixed content? Warnings?
Mixed content warnings appear when a secure HTTPS page loads elements from an insecure HTTP source. This can be a security risk, and the Privacy and Security tab helps you identify and fix these issues.
Oh, so it's also useful for building the trust and SEO rankings, right?
Yes, that's true. Having a secure and mixed content-free website can significantly impact your user trust and also positively affect your search engine rankings. Search engines favor secure websites.
Oh, that's really cool. And finally, what about this Lighthouse tool?
The Lighthouse tool provides audits for performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO, and progressive web apps, PWAs. It helps you identify areas for improvement to enhance your website's overall experience and search engine ranking.
Oh, so this is very useful for our website auditing, right?
Exactly. Lighthouse is a powerful tool for conducting comprehensive website audits, providing valuable insights into performance, accessibility, and overall website quality.
So let me analyze my mobile version of my site and let me see the results for this.
Okay, it's analyzing the mobile version of your website now. It will provide a report with scores and suggestions for improvements based on performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO, and PWA criteria.
Yeah, let me see the results first. Then we'll discuss.
All right, the report should be ready shortly. It will give you detailed feedback on your mobile website's performance and other key areas.
Usually it is taking longer time.
Yes, the audit can take a little while because it performs a thorough analysis of various aspects of your website. It's gathering detailed information for the report.
Okay, I can wait.
The report should be ready soon. It will give you valuable insights into your site's performance and areas for improvement.
Yeah, I got the results.
Great! You can now review the scores and recommendations to see where your website can be improved. It will highlight specific areas for better performance, accessibility, and SEO.
Yeah, I got the performance, accessibility, and the best practice SEO results, but I am quite happy with this because all is my performance a little bit 19. I scored 19 only because of the images I put in my site is really high quality. So that's the issue, and everything is fine. You can see my screen and give me a suggestion for these scores.
I see your performance score is
Yeah, come on, tell me.
Apologies for the delay. Based on the report, your performance score is lower, likely due to the high-quality images you mentioned. To improve this, you could consider optimizing the images for faster loading times. The report should also provide specific recommendations for improving accessibility and best practices, even if those scores are already good.
Okay, what about the remaining? What do you think of the remaining scores? Weights?
The other scores, for accessibility, best practices, and SEO, seem quite strong. This indicates that your website is generally accessible and well optimized for search engines. However, reviewing the specific recommendations in those categories can still provide further opportunities for fine-tuning and improvement.
Yeah, definitely. I will work on them. And let me see
That-
the calculator ones. What I can improve.
The calculator shows the breakdown of your performance score with the different metrics and their weightings. You can adjust the values for metrics like first contentful paint, speed index, and largest contentful paint to see how improvements would affect your overall score. This can help you identify the most impactful areas to focus on.
So, can you describe me more about the first contentful paint?
First contentful paint, FCP, is a metric that measures when the first piece of content, like text or an image, is displayed on a web page for the user. It's an important indicator of how quickly users perceive your site to be loading. A lower FCP time generally means a better user experience.
Okay, presently I got the 3.97 milliseconds of loading time. So if I decrease it to approximately 1 or 1.5, this is good, right?
Yes, reducing the first contentful paint time to around 1 to 1.5 seconds would significantly improve your performance score and provide a much faster loading experience for your users. That would be a great optimization to aim for.
Yeah, what about the speed index? Can you give me a short note on it?
Speed index measures how quickly the content becomes visually progressive on the page. It essentially assesses how fast the user can see content appearing on the screen, providing a measure of the user's perceived loading speed. A lower speed index indicates a faster visual load.
Okay, present now I got the 21 milliseconds of time it is taking. If I bring down to 2 milliseconds, it will be really good, right?
Yes, significantly reducing the speed index to around 2 seconds would be a major improvement. It would significantly make your page appear to load much faster to users, resulting in a better user experience and a higher performance score.
Okay, now I got this calculator use. I think it's visually representing what is the best loading time for the accessibility, right?
Yes, the calculator helps visualize how different loading times impact your performance score. While it primarily focuses on performance metrics, improving loading times can also significantly benefit accessibility, as faster loading makes the site easier to use for everyone, including those with slower internet connections or assistive technologies.
Okay, this might be causing with the users slow internet also. Am I correct?
Yes, absolutely. Slow internet connections can significantly impact the loading times for users, especially for metrics like first contentful paint and speed index. Optimizing your website for faster loading times is crucial for providing a good experience, even with users with slower connections.
Okay, now I got the clear idea about this Lighthouse scoring calculator, that I can improve these settings in my website code. I will try to optimize everything in the code, within the code and the images.
That's a great plan. Focusing on optimizing your code and images to improve metrics like first contentful paint and speed index will make a significant difference in your overall performance score and user experience. Good luck with the optimization.
Yeah, Thank you so much. You helped me a lot,
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any more questions as you work on optimizing your website, feel free to ask. I'm here to assist.
Yeah, whenever I open the Visual Studio, I will ask you, I will definitely come for your help if I stuck anywhere.
Sounds good. Don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help whenever you need it while you're working on your Visual Studio projects.
Okay, I would like to ask you one thing. What do you think of you're seeing my screen, right? What do you think of my site here? How does it look? Just give me a short one-word answer.
Based on what I see, your site looks clean and well organized. It has a clear layout with a prominent title and image, and the content seems easy to read. Overall, it looks like a professional design.
Hey, thank you so much, buddy.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Feel free to reach out if you need anything in the future. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Take care.
So this is how we can learn from the Google AI Studio. I really learn a lot of things. And for the bloggers, the developer tools are very helpful optimizing your site. It helps you to index your site quickly and faster, because if you optimize everything like what we have just gone through, it's very helpful for each and every site and every blogger. So go and have fun with the Google developer tools and optimize your site accordingly with the Lighthouse calculator results. That's it. Okay guys, bye for now. If you want to read my site, my blogs, you can simply go to the browser and search for my name, Convait, then enter. Now here you will get the user profile in the blog site. Open it and you can get all of my blogs here. Go through each and every blog, explore them. Thank you very much.
Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to